about the surprising sign of happiness. This lecture was direct for Dan Gilbert. I will answer question number one that say that Dan Gilbert believed that with some exception, events that happened more than 3 months ago have no impact on your happiness. And what he meant with that, if if that even a person who experienced bad moments like losing a college test or getting a divorce or losing a member of their family, it won't have any difference on their happiness. But it depends in how grave is the event. Depending on the importance of the event, people forget or learn how to deal with it. For example, the person who lost a family member could not forget that, but with time, this person will accept, and he will be happy. Also, a person who had a really happy event in his or her life, and he feels so happy that he will never forget that, and it is the most amazing thing in his life. However, this person after a year may don't even remember that, or just it changed the importance meaning that it had before. Now I will talk about question number two. That says that a year after winning the lottery or losing the use of your legs, both groups of persons are equally happy. And you may think that it is not true, but it is. It happens because people learn to get used to things. After a year, learn how to live with that and accept it. People find a way to be happy with what they have. Also, the person who won the lottery after a year, he will be the same happy as he was before. And the person who become paraplegic, um, after with the time, he will accept that, he will learn how to live with that, and he will get used to it. Either the paraplegic person or the person who won the lottery, with the time, they become the same happy person, and they have the same happiness in their life. Finally, I will answer the question number four that talks about the difference between synthetic happiness and natural happiness. The difference between those happiness is that synthetic happiness comes from things that we just imagine, and we and just imagine that we think, we believe that it will make us so happy. Although we don't know or we never experience that. We just imagine that, and we are pretty sure that it will make us happy. However, sometimes when we get that, um, we thought will make and we thought that it will make us really happy, it might become different than we thought before, and it may become not so good than how we thought before. In addition, the natural happiness came from those things or those events that occur in our life, and we didn't expect that it could make us so happy, and we didn't expect that, and it could make us so happy. Also, when we get a good price from things that we achieved before, it makes us happier than we thought. For example, when you have a job and you have been working really hard, and so that your boss increase your salary, you you become so happy, but you didn't expect that, and then and that would you become so happy that you will feel the natural happiness because you didn't expect that. It just came and make you so happy without any expectation that you had before. Or maybe you think that it will make you happy, but not so happy that it make you feel at the moment that you get that. So with this lecture I learned many things about the happiness, and I now I see the happiness in a different way, and I can understand better those things. I really like this lecture. It was, even though it was so hard at the first time to understand, then after I listen and watch this every time, I could understand, and I really like. Thank you for listening.